Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to scan documents using your HP Deskjet printer. Now, this will apply to HP Deskjet printers in the 2600 series, 2700 and 2800 series. But to be honest with you, all HP Deskjets use the same app and the same functionalities. So any Deskjet this should work on. And if it doesn't, it should be very, very similar. Now, the main way to scan on this is quite simple. However, you will be needing the HP Smart app either on a mobile device or on a desktop. Now, on a mobile device and desktop, it is quite literally the same app, the same interface with the same buttons and the same setup method. So this will work on either of them. Now, the first thing to do is to ensure that your printer is connected properly via the app. Now, if your printer isn't showing up and available, then unfortunately you will need to go through the Wi-Fi setup. I would make sure that the Wi-Fi button over here has a solid blue light. That means your connection is working. And if it isn't, I do have a video on how to set up your HP Deskjet printer with Wi-Fi, and also have one on how to pair it with an iPhone. So once you have the HP Smart app fully installed and up and running, you will need to go down to click printer scan. Now, before I click this, I want to say that you need to create a HP account to use this feature. I think it's a bit annoying that you have to create an account, and I don't think it should be a requirement, but you know, it is just what it is and things just are how they are. So we are going to go ahead and click printer scan. So as you can see, it's going to tell us place your document on the scanner, then select the button to start. Remove the original document once scanned. Leaving an original document on the scanner may allow access to anyone on your network. So let's go ahead. Now, when it says put your document on the scanner, it's talking about this. Now, this is a scanner. It's also used to copy and so on and so forth. I have this print alignment document that I'm going to use, but you can obviously use anything. Actually, I'm going to use the welcome document. Now, very importantly, when you place a document on your scanner, you're going to want to place it face down. Whatever's face down is what's going to be copied or scanned. And also, you're really going to want to make sure that it's aligned in this bottom right corner. So whatever you place in there, make sure it fits perfectly. And yeah, so we're going to shut the lid. Now that that's done, we are going to click scan. Now, you can do it in a batch, so you can do it like back to back, but we're just going to do one document for now. So I'm going to click scan, and as you can see, my one has a problem during scanning. So we're going to try again. So as you can see, once I clicked scan, it's now actually scanning my document and showing me live what it looks like, which I think is really cool. It's going to start off a bit blurry, but it will clear itself up. Now, as you saw, I came across a few errors, and normally I could cut those out, but I want to show you that these errors are real and they do happen. So one thing I'll do, I'll just quickly click back. Oh, my scan's gone now. But a few things you want to make sure is that the source is selected to your printer. And then also on your printer, it may be worth just giving the on button a tap. Even if your printer's already on, give the on button a tap, which will wake the screen up. And that's quite important. I feel like the screen needs to be woken up sometimes to access some of the features. So let me run my scan again, and then we'll do the final settings. So you can see it's scanning again. Now, if the printer says to you, scanner busy or anything along those lines, what I find is just close the app and reopen it. I'll be honest with you, it's quite annoying. These HP printers and their app, they're just not perfect. They always come across errors. But as you can see, it's doing pretty well. I can adjust the edges and so on and so forth, but that looks about right. I'll click next, and this is going to process it. We'll give that just a second. And here you go. So there's my scanned document. I think this is great. A lot of the older printers used to scan it straight to your email and whatnot, and I find that a bit annoying and long. But now I have it on my phone. I can print it, I can fax it, but most importantly, I can share it. I can take it out as a PDF. I can do it as a PNG. I can do it as a JPEG. Let's do it as a PDF. I can rename it over here, and I can save it to my phone. I can send it to myself. And yeah, so that's pretty much how to scan on the printer. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments. And do check out the rest of my channel for any other printer related issues, especially with HP Deskjet ones. I've done a lot of videos on these. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.